So let's start a business, shall we? First thing we're going to do is go to this website right here and follow along with the video as we go. You can always pause and rewind if I go too fast for you. We're going to click sign up now and make ourselves an account. You will have to put in your own information here. This information is not public yet, so go ahead and put in your own personal information to make this Oregon Secretary of State information. And once you've done that, you will go to Application Management in this left toolbar to choose the right application. So there's Application Management. We're going to pick Oregon Business Registry and hit Submit so that it moves into this. It says My Filing, and we'll hit Submit again. And then we can enter into the full website where we're going to do that by clicking on Oregon Business Registry. So there's a lot going on here. We're just going to hit Click Start, kind of straightforward. And this will be the big part where you'll need to pause the video after you click Register Name and choose a domestic limited liability company. Almost everybody is going to want that. You'll have to fill out the information on this page under each little arrow. And when we get down to Statement of Management, I'll have some clarification for you. So go ahead and pause the video for a moment, and if you have any questions, just start playing again and hopefully I'll answer them. So you are going to want to be a manager-managed company. This gives you a lot more flexibility to be a manager yourself or appoint someone else as a manager. So we're all going to be picking manager-managed under Statement of Management. And then when you click on Member Manager, you would probably want to add yourself right now as a member or a manager. You can be both. You just have to sign up that way. Your bank may require you to be listed as a member manager to do banking things. So you may want to add that now, but I'm not going to in this video. But you'll probably want to hit yes and put yourself in. All right, so professional services rendered. This specifically means chiropractors, architects, accountants, naturopaths. Even if you think you're a professional, if you don't do one of these tasks, you're not technically a professional in the eyes of the Oregon State. So we're going to say no here, unless you're one of those few. And then you want to make sure that you click this company elects to identify its members, managers, employees, and agents. You need to click this box. Even though it's not showing checked in this video, make sure that you check this box before you hit continue. I didn't do this the first time, and I had to call the Oregon Department of State and have them help me out. Now, fortunately, they were very helpful, as many of the Oregon Department of Government offices are. So just call them up, ask questions. They can be very, very helpful. After you review your information, which I did not put on the screen for hopefully obvious reasons, you'll have to hit continue and go through your application. Then you'll get to the signature part. And so here at signatures, you want to hit select and select organizer, unless you're setting this up for someone else, but you're probably the organizer. And then you can pick yourself and sign this. And then you will have to pay a fee of $100 to file with the state of Oregon so that you can start giving them more money, right? So then when you're done, it's going to say next steps, and it's going to offer you to get a BIN, which you need to do if you're going to be paying payroll, if you're paying other employees. If you're just getting started, this is something you can do later if you don't plan on having employees immediately. Same thing with the Portland Business Tax Registration. If you are operating inside of Portland, you need to register with them, but it does not have to be now. So those, you can click on either of those next steps and move through those, but this video is not going to cover that information.